What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is another FTM chart breakdown, technical analysis. And if you hear cars in the background, once again, I'm in my car doing analysis. It's about 40 minutes left in the daily candle. As you can see, price kind of did what it followed one of the scenarios I mentioned yesterday, right? So what that was is, I just put it right here. But for me, I would like to see something. I would prefer to see something come a bit deeper, so I could take advantage of entry opportunities around these points. Okay, you see that I mentioned wanting price to come down, right? And do something like that. Price has put in a decent higher low. You don't really want to be buying from levels up here. You more so want to be buying from like major supports or fresh demand zones or structure points, to be honest, right? So see this bounce literally right off of new structure. See, we broke this level, this resistance, broke it, came back, tested it, right, and put in a nice new higher low, thus once again confirming that we are in an uptrend, right? And the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. So what I'm gonna be aware of is this level right here. This is the next level to pay attention to, because we don't want price to like possibly start to consolidate or move sideways in this range. Okay, because that's a possibility. That is a possibility. Okay, but what I'm looking for, since the trend is my friend, I'm keeping my eyes on buys, right? Looking to then for price to then come into here. Okay, that's something I'm looking for. But now, I might say I wouldn't have won an entry up here. I would rather it do something like this. It's almost getting there now, right? It's almost getting there. But if I was, let's say this is a time that I would take a trade. I'm actively looking to take a trade. A trade that I would look for is, I would see how this 4-hour close first, and while I'm watching that close, I'll be stalking it on the lower time frames. Okay, 1 hour looks like that. This 1 hour has to close bullish. 30-minute looks like this, right? So I would probably come down here, start to throw my trend lines on. It seems like we're now starting a retracement cycle / mini downtrend or counter trend at 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute. Okay, so it's kind of market's about to close soon in about 30 minutes at 7 o'clock for me. So if I'm looking to buy this, the only time I would get into something like this is if I see some sort of break of this counter trend line, right? And it's not more so because I believe in counter trend line so much. It's just I use this counter trend line is kind of gauging. It's helping me gauge the bearish pressure, okay? Because bam, price came here, respected it, right? You tend to see price start to do something like this, you know? And waiting for this trend line, for me, it has helped me to kind of weed out some of the trades that you hop in and because you want to be early into the buy, and it's just not time for the trade to go up yet, and maybe it won't go up, it goes down, so that's just a confluence that I've added to my trading that's helped weed out a lot of the bad opportunities.